We get a box like that which looks like container from Boderry. So let's unbox the thing first. We have to literally pull this thing out, where you will have this watch here, number 0083867. It's the card actually. This is a limited edition, a 5-year anniversary edition watch actually. So we have what are we getting? 5th anniversary special limited edition here. So this is a 363 out of 888. So they are only making 88 watches for the entire world apparently. There is a sponge for some softening. Okay, this is the one. There is a velvety thing for keeping it safe. Okay, this is the one you can see, and it feels very solid. But I expected it to be light, but it has some good heft actually. This is once you remove the plastic wrapping, you have a date here, and there's some camo theme going on even on the strap as well. I like it. It feels hefty. I've seen the videos, it says like it feels light. No, it feels hefty. And let me show the back side. On the back side you have this naval theme basically. So it's kind of the steering for an old ship. So it says 100-meter water resistant. It says solid titanium. Then Boderry Voyager. So that's all.